Two forces act at an angle of 120 degrees. The bigger force is 40 newtons and the resultant is perpendicular to smaller one. Find the smaller one. So given that there are two forces and angle between those two is 120 degrees. So one of the force magnitude is given, so which is 40 newtons, and another force is not given. So we have to find that force. Let us consider that force as P. So I am considering two forces here. So this is one force. So let this one be the another force. Given that the angle between these two is 120 degrees. This is given as 120 degrees. So I am considering these two forces are like this. So in that one of the force is given as 40 newtons. Another force is not given. Consider that one as P. And resultant is perpendicular to smaller one. So that means you have to consider resultant such that it should be perpendicular to smaller one. So we have considered the smaller force as P, right? So now you have to consider resultant such that it should be perpendicular to smaller one. So now you need to find the smaller force. Okay. As here, as there are three forces, I can use sine rule here. So here the complete angle between the two forces is 120 degrees. So this one is given as 90 degrees. Why? Because resultant is perpendicular to smaller one. So then the remaining angle, so this will be 30 degrees, right? So 90 plus 30, so total angle 120 degrees, right? So from this I can apply sine rule. Every force is, or every side is proportional to sine of the angle between other two sides, right? So here instead of side, so that will be force. So P divided by close P. So remaining two forces are R and 40. Angle between those two is 30, right? So P by sine 30 is equal to close R. So when you close R, so other two forces are P and 40. Angle between those two is 120, right? So sine 120 is equal to 40 divided by close 40. So the angle between other two forces is 90. So 40 divided by sine 90. Just it is asked to calculate the smaller force only. It is not asked to calculate the resultant. So just you can consider this relation. So P by sine 30 is equal to 40 divided by sine 90. From that, P is equal to 40 sine 30 divided by sine 90. So which is equal to 20 newtons. So that means the smallest force here is nothing but 20 newtons. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, click on like button and don't forget to subscribe.